messed that one up. One more. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, Roz and Mace. I'm Mason, and this is my wife Rosmi back here.
Hey guys.
I decided to do something special for my wife today. I just went to the Jacksonville Jaguars game with a buddy of mine from work. They got beat pretty bad, but my fantasy team, I got like 130 points on my fantasy team because of Patrick Mahomes, if you guys know who that is. But yeah, so we're about to get on the road and I'll show y'all where we go and the destination that I'm taking her to and what we're gonna do when we get there. So we're on the way. It's a little place. Actually, my wife found this place. Good job, babe. It's a nice place. I actually like it. It's really cool. It's like a pier, but they also have like a walking trail. But then there's this like cool place where you can go and
Just hang out.
yeah, hang out. It's got like a big tree and stuff.
Have
So
like
that's,
a long time.
yeah. So that's where we're going. She said something a couple weeks ago, not even a couple weeks ago, about what, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and we're watching TV, and it always happens. We're watching TV, and she sees a couple doing something, or she sees in a movie some like romantic scene and stuff. She's like, "You never do that with me," you know. So I decided the day after the game, I would come and pick her up and make us some food, just some sandwiches and some drinks and chips, and we would go to this little spot and have a picnic.
Oh, you love it, man.
I'm smiling at you.
It's cool. You know I like stuff like that.
So, and it's perfect timing too, because it's about 6 o'clock here.
Watch the sun. Yay!
And the sunset goes down at like 7, so 7:30, so it's pretty nice.
Let's do this.
It'll
I'm
be
excited.
fun.
Look at my oily face.
It is really oily. Why is it so oily, you think?
I don't know. So guys, we just got here and it looks beautiful. We're trying to look for a spot to sit and show you guys.
Well, the place that we wanted to sit, or the place that we found last time, you can't really see the sunset from there. So we're gonna check out a new spot, and maybe another time we'll show y'all the other place. But the whole point of it was so that we could have a picnic by the sunset.
Yeah.
So I think we just found a good little spot right here, though.
I'm excited that he's doing this for me. This is so nice. Ow! Ow! Okay. This means he's listening, and I love that. Right now, my energy to even talk loud is not there. I'm so hungry. Like, I'm so hungry. So we found this spot right down here. And I think it's just the best place to come sit at. I love things like this. So here we are. Yay! Look at all that. Hey, baby.
So you like it?
Yeah, this place is really cool. Are you getting the wire? Look at me. Yeah. I know.
show y'all. I made her favorite. It's Nutella and butter. It's weird. I don't know if y'all can see it. My tan line from the football game. It's crazy. And that noise in the background is the waves washing up on this little shore that's right here. I don't know if you guys can hear us or not. You think they can?
Maybe.
So, yeah, this is something that she's always wanted. Well, not always wanted. It's something that she said she would like to do about a week
I
or
like
two
stuff
ago.
like that. Stuff like that.
I remembered and I kept it in my mind.
I told them that it's good you're listening.
People riding jet skis. So I'll be going down in about an hour.
Yeah. It's so beautiful. You can just come out here and sit and have your peace. Nobody's bothering you. Nobody's in your space. You know? You're not listening to everybody's.
Kind of get away from stuff.
Yeah. Don't you like it?
It's just hot. I've been baking in the sun all day because
you can get into this water, right?
Yeah. You know how to skip a rock?
How to skip a rock?
Skip a rock.
Like jump over a rock?
Yeah, like you throw it and it skips.
No, I thought. Did you hear me? I was like jump over a rock.
Watch, I'll show you what's skipping a rock. You've got to find the perfect rock. It's got to be kind of flat right here.
I don't know if I saw the rock, but I know I was trying to show them.
Let me get it flat for you. There you go. Right here. Your turn.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. Look, the way you want to do it is you want to take it like this and you want to like sling it really close to the water and like far out there. See how it bounces off the water and skips?
I got 3.
You did
Do
it.
it again. Hold on.
Look,
Put
all right,
come on,
hold on.
We're gonna be doing it.
Hold on, come here. Look, I'm going to show you how to find a good rock.
You said the one that is flat,
Yeah.
right?
See, like you don't want one like... See, guys, she's learning already. Perfect.
Okay.
All right, that one's mine. That one's good too. It doesn't have to be like small, just flat.
Okay.
All right.
I think the book that was like this.
I got 3.
And I have one again.
These are good ones too, like this.
Oh, the tiny little one?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You got 4? Yeah, you got a lot. Oh my god. Hold on 1 second.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
This thing, how the water, how it takes, how many sticks you get?
Oh, yeah.
No, I was just asking you. Here we go. I got 3. This is 4. Okay. Here we go. Hello. I got 3.
That's perfect.
Hold on, baby. Okay, go. Ooh, you got how many?
3.
That was not bad. At least it was not as bad as the other one.
watch me skip this rock.
No.
You don't think I can?
I want us to go like in there. Yeah, it's big, but Jeddah is covering up everything.
Look.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What did I just do?
I don't know. I was gonna take them. That's what you get.
Hmm?
That's what you get.
Oh, it's coming out. What do you call it? When it's yeah. Wow. Oh, okay. It was not even gonna move because
Why are you gonna put it back in the water?
where do you want me to put it, baby?
Out of the water?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was still waiting. I just wanna.
Slow down.
Hmm?
Slow down. See what they were looking at.
Let me see how you work. Oh, it's not. I thought we still had rocks. You got my phone?
Yeah.
This is a great hiding spot. Woo.
Oh, yeah.
They got a good one. There's no sun bugging your face too much, but it's just, good enough. Babe, be careful.
hermit crab shell.
I know you can't see. You don't have to see.
These flies, man, they're killing me.
I'm crazy about you. Babe don't do good with sun.
Nope. Yeah.
Sorry, babe. Babe. Here. I'm going to give you some work right now. Look at me. You're going to get, I don't know, but you're going to get me here.
Here, hold me back. Flies are killing me. I'm in the way. Your head's in the way.
How you doing?
That's way back there. You can't even see it. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I forgot to say it before, but if you're new here, welcome. You guys should like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, you like videos like this, you guys should come back for our next video. We enjoy having y'all, and we hope you like this video. You got anything to say?
Yeah, I just enjoyed this time. We have been here for almost 2.5 hours, and
It's time
we
to
just,
go home.
you know, gave you guys a picture of what happened, but it's
Yeah,
time
the
to
bugs
go
are killing
home.
me, so we'll see you guys in our next video. Peace.